Hey everyone, welcome back to Cox and Bitcoin. So, as you can see here, just the other day, we just peaked above and set a new all-time high. So, it's an amazing feat seeing how early it is. Um, Here on the daily chart, not starting off the day too strong at the top of this resistance line right here. We're kind of bouncing back and forth. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. As you can see, broke through. Now we're down here. That's what we got going on with Bitcoin. So, could come up, bounce off this line again. If we break through it, then we're in a new territory again up here. I'm trying to break the all-time high again. The only problem that I have with it is that we are way too early. So if we go back here, go to this weekly chart. So right here, I had all-time low, which we hit it the day or the week after, the week of. The last part of my little window there. And then, and this is what I did. I measured everything. All-time high to previous all-time high, all-time high to all-time high, bottom bear to all-time high. Basically, we shouldn't have hit an all-time high until right around here, the end of 2024. So November to December. So all-time high to previous all-time high. That's when we should have hit it, right around there. And then right here, I got the other two, and I got just all I did was just go back a couple weeks and go forward a couple weeks. September 2025 to December 2025. So that's when I'm going to start looking to take profits. But we're early. We were supposed to hit this in months. So I'd say to probably get back on track. It wouldn't really surprise me if Bitcoin came down here and just started trading in here again, and we consolidate, and then we hit another new all-time high. But with everybody, the ETFs, Grayscale selling, everybody buying up Bitcoin for the ETFs, there is no telling what this is going to do. So I'm just DCAing in right now, and I'll stop DCAing sometime in here because for tax purposes, best way to do it is to hold your asset for a year or longer so you don't take such a tax hit when you do your taxes. That's not financial advice, but that's just my opinion on it. Actually, I was talking to someone today about Bitcoin, and they were like, "Oh, it's just so high, and I don't know if, just spending so much." I was like, "Well, that's the great thing about it. You could, you can buy it in fractions. Like you don't have to spend $66,000 to buy one whole Bitcoin. I mean, we all wish we had that money to do it with, but this is why this is, the people's money, I guess. You don't need the full amount. You can just buy it in fractions. So I'm DCAing every paycheck into it. Um, so yeah, I was explaining that to him, and I was like, and he said, yeah, it's up so much. I think it's just too late. We just started. We just began. You know, we got a whole year and a half to still go up and go down and go up some more. So, hopefully they buy in, because I'll tell you what, it's definitely financially liberating if you learn the markets like I have, or you never stop learning. But I've learned the markets, and I just started charting this on my own because the last cycle I was listening to the wrong people, and I got burned. So everybody's saying, yeah, right back here, everybody's saying, oh man, we're going to 100K, come down. Oh, what happened? Oh man, we're going to 100K. 100K by by June and July, and no, it just kept going down because that was the top. That was it. And if you measure it from the previous, all-time high at all-time high, and bottom halving and everything, that's it right there. So again, halvings at the end of April, towards the end of April. So looking forward to that. But yeah, guys, I mean, even if we do go back down, don't lose hope. Just ride it out, DCA more, because we are still early. We weren't supposed to hit all-time highs until the end of this year. Let's take a look at ETH here. So ETH, we're hitting a pretty big resistance right now. So I drew this all the way back. It was a support line, and then it broke down into a resistance line, came up, hit it, came up, hit it, and if you draw it all the way out, we're still hitting it. But you draw this one out too with it. So right there. You got an expanding wedge, which is bullish. So, we may break out of this right here. We may break out right here. We could also come down and if Bitcoin does a pullback, everything else does a pullback. We can come down to this support line, maybe right it, and that's at 3,300, and then maybe come back up and try and break through that resistance line again. So short video today. I'm actually under the weather today. Been sick past couple days. But wanted to get on here and explain to you guys, where are we at? Where are we supposed to be at? We're supposed to sit here, consolidate, and then go up. But instead, we're way up here. Even if we do pull back, don't worry. We're still way ahead. So it's kind of scary how ahead of schedule we are. Is Bitcoin seriously just gonna go up, 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 up? Where would that? If it did that, that'd take us insanely high. Look at that. If Bitcoin was on this trajectory and just kept going up, you're looking at 500K. That's crazy. We would definitely break the trend of diminishing returns, because if you remember, we started down here at 15. Okay. But that's what I got, guys. Short video. Please subscribe, like, everything like that. Hope you guys are in the profits. And that's all I got. Thanks for tuning in.